Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see copying a DB parameter group. You can copy custom DB parameter group that you create. Copying a parameter group is a convenient solution when you have already created a DB parameter group and you want to include most of the custom parameters and the values from that group in a new DB parameter group. For example, if you want to clone from dev DB instance to test DB instance, then you can copy from dev to test. You can copy a DB parameter group using the AWS Management Console. After you copy a DB parameter group, wait at least 5 minutes before creating your first DB instance that uses that DB parameter group as the default parameter group. You can't copy a default parameter group. However, you can create a new parameter group that is based on a default parameter group. Currently, you can't copy a parameter group to different AWS region. To copy a DB parameter group, in the navigation pane, choose parameter groups. In the parameter group page, choose custom parameter group that you want to copy. Choose actions, then choose copy. In the new DB parameter group identifier, enter a name for the new parameter group. Description, enter a description for the new parameter group. Then choose create. Now parameter group has been copied from this parameter group. For listing, viewing and comparing DB parameter group values, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer your friends.